Oat or oatmeal is one of the food I grew up with. But most of the time when you tell people about oats, they always think that it's a breakfast cereal. But oats is one of the most popular healthy meals that you can find around the world. It is loaded with a lot of fiber, about 10.6 grams. It also has a lot of nutrients. So it's very, very good for our body. Hello, hi. My name is Josie. I'm a pharmacist. Before I start, why don't you hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you will never miss any of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the benefit of oatmeal. My number one benefit of oats is that it's a nutrient-dense food. Oatmeal contain a great source of fiber, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. When you take about half cup of dry oats, it has about 180 calories, which is 33 grams of carbohydrate, 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, and 1 grams of sugar. Also, oats contain a lot of vitamins and minerals, which are manganese, magnesium, iron, zinc, vitamin B9, B1, B3, and B5. It also contains half recommended daily dose of your phosphorus. So oats really have a lot of nutrients in them. My second benefit is that oatmeal helps when it comes to losing weight. Research has shown that when you eat oatmeal, it contains a powerful soluble fiber called BETA-GLUCAN, which increase your feeling of fullness. So it wouldn't make you grab on healthy food like snacks. It also leads you to reduce calorie intake, which help you decrease the risk of obesity. So if you want to lose weight, incorporate oatmeal into your diet. The third benefit of oatmeal is one of my favorite. It controls the risk of heart disease like high blood pressure, high blood glucose, strokes, and many more. Number one leading cause of death around the world is heart disease. But when it comes to oatmeal, it has a special antioxidants in them that help you reduce the risk of heart disease. This special antioxidant in oats help us reduce arterial inflammation. When arterial inflammation occurs, it causes high blood pressure, high blood glucose, strokes, and all sorts of cardiovascular diseases. So oats really help us reduce the risk of that. Research has also shown that when you eat oatmeal with some kind of vitamin C food like oranges, tangerine, mandarin, and many more, it prevents a bad cholesterol. My fourth benefit is that oatmeal help you release constipation. Are you struggling of going to the bathroom to poo? Are you having irregular bowel movement? Is constipation a problem for you? Try to eat oatmeal and it will really help you. Oatmeal has a lot of fiber, so it helps in our digestion. So when you eat oatmeal, it helps you go to the bathroom. When you take a lot of laxative, it helps you go, but it has a lot of side effects. So try oatmeal next time when you're having a constipation problem and it will really help you. My last benefit is that oatmeal decreases the risk of childhood asthma. Asthma is one of the most chronic disease in children. Asthma is inflammation disorder of the airway. It can be treated in so many ways, like exercise, weather changes, allergies, and many more. Research has shown that feeding your infant with oatmeal reduces the risk of them getting asthma. So give your children oatmeal. It really helps open their airways. There are so many types of oatmeal: steel cut, dry oats, and old-fashioned. Old-fashioned is the one I normally eat, but the one that is healthy most is the steel cut because it's not really processed. Each of them has a unique taste. There are so many ways you can spice your oats, whether by adding fruit to it. You can also add fried eggs to make it flavored. Some people also add it to smoothie, and you can also make a cookie from it. Next time in my video, I'm going to show you how to make an oatmeal muffin. It tastes really good. What do you think of the benefit of oatmeal? Are you going to incorporate it into your diet? Please leave in the comment below. what you think. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on the like button, share it with friends on Facebook and Instagram. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching and God bless you.